So hello everybody, this time I'm going to teach a new technique. This is one technique of a slow stone. Here first we keep a standing domino here, and then you keep here one sleeping domino. Then you again keep a standing domino, and then after again you keep a sleeping domino. This reduces the speed little bit. Slow stones are for making it slow. Then you do a normal line, it goes much faster than this. Because this is one technique of slow stone. And it is very easy. And after that, when you build the normal domino line, if you build the normal domino line, you will see it goes very fast. So, you see. So, this goes very fast like this. But this is a slow stones. It goes much slower, and you can build how much ever we want. And after we can build the normal domino line. And this will go much slower than this part. So let's stop while it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. It gone much slower than this part. Thank you.